So today we're doing a cat toy review of this feather rattle cat toy from the brand Whiskers City. We got it at PetSmart, and Toothless loves feather toys, so he'll like this. Okay, so here we have cat number one. Let's see what he thinks. Toothless, what do you think? What? 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 Are you just gonna stand above it? Oh no, you're gonna sit on it. Why do you always do that with your toys? It makes no sense, Toothless. Here we have cat number two. Let's see what she thinks. Oh, she's interested. Oh yes, yes, she's playing with it. What? Do you like that? Is that a good toy? She keeps trying to eat that thing. I've told her multiple times that it's not food. I'm gonna give this 4.5 out of 5 paws, and it's approved by 2 out of 2 cats. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cat toy review videos.